Hey Martin, this is Clint Lashley from Digital Infusion, Digital Marketing Solutions. And today I'm going to talk to you about three things you can do to your website and have you grow your online presence and outrank your competition and start bringing some traffic to your door through your website. And those three things are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, I do this because this is my way of giving back to small business owners that want to learn how to grow their business through their website. So I provide them this video with the tips on how to do that. And sometimes they take this attack plan and run with it themselves. And sometimes they don't want to deal with it and reach out to me and we talk and come up with a plan and work something out. So I have your website pulled up here and I see your big number to contact you. You got a Facebook link, your menu up here. You got job opportunities, which you can actually run a hiring campaign for through Google Ads. Um, and then you have all your services down here, which is great. Some testimonials, and that's all I see there. So I don't see a whole lot of content. So Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. The home page being the most important because it's the one that gets crawled the most by Google, and you want Google to be on your website longer, so you throw the content in there. And in the content, you want keywords that somebody's going to use to type in for one of your services to find you, such as you got carpentry there, and in your service pages you had deck building. So one keyword would be example of be a buyer intent keyword would be St. Louis deck repair, because that's what somebody's going to type in your area to look to get their deck repaired in that area. So you type that in. Usually you see ads up here at the top running. Those are local ads that businesses pay to have run. And then you see the map section here, which I'll get back to in a second. And then down below the map section, you see the organic search section, which these top spots generate the most traffic for any given search on any given service. So you really want to be ranked up here. And if not up there, at least on the first page, but you still get traffic, but you really want to keep on pushing and getting up here to the top. So I use a tool called Ahrefs to find out what's going on with the website per Google. And I have you in here, and you see there's no data for a UR rating and a 0 DR rating. There's normally a number here between 1 and 100, and you want it somewhere between a 30 and a 40, and that usually means it's a powerful website. You're getting 5 backlinks from 3 referring domains. Now, I took your top competitor here and plugged them into Ahrefs as well. So, oh, I'm sorry, I just grabbed this competitor right here and I plugged them into Ahrefs as well. And you see they don't have a number there for UR, but they got a DR6. They're getting 30 backlinks from 6 referring domains, getting found for 16 organic keywords and getting 11 organic traffic in a month, just from being at that spot for just that one keyword. So backlinking is like Google's big popularity contest. You want other websites pointing back to you, deeming you the authority in Google's eyes, so Google sees that and ranks you higher in the organic section. And you want not just any backlinks, though. You want relative to your industry backlinks or your services, and nothing spammy, and you want strong, trusted sites. So you can also go after the same backlinks your competitors are using, because if they're strong enough to rank them, they're going to be strong enough to rank you. And then let's see here, organic keywords. You can click on that and find out what kind of keywords they're being found for. Deck repair St. Louis, they got a 90 search volume in a month there. Deck Repair St. Louis there, the way it's spelled there, that's 100 search volume in a month. Deck Repair St. Louis, Missouri 10. St. Louis Deck Builders 250 search volume. So these are examples of keywords that you would want in your content on that home page. So between the content and the backlinking, that will rank you higher up in the organic section on the first page there. And then we come back up here to this map section. And the map section is where your Google business profile is built out. You have your name, address, and phone number listed, and you can go and get citations. Now, a citation is where you get your name, address, and phone number listed in directories such as Angie's List, Yelp, other social media, Yellow Pages, any directories, any place on the internet you can get your Google business profile name, address, and phone number listed, and as many as you can, and Google finds them, points back to you, and ranks you higher up here in this map section. So for St. Louis Deck Repair, you go and get them citations and the backlinks and put the content on your home page, keywords in the content, and that will have you ranking on the first page of the Google search for St. Louis Deck Repair and any other keywords that you might want to go after. So like I said, you can take this attack plan and run with it yourself, or you can contact me back and we can come up with a plan and work together and get you the most, get you found in the most areas for the most things, and grow together. So like I said, if you can reach me here, this is my website, or you can call me at 262-947-4860. Again, my name is Clint Lashley, and my number is 262-947-4860. I look forward to your feedback on this, and I hope this video helped you immensely, and have a nice day.